Welcome to World Histories. Today we are exploring some of the strangest and most unusual foods and dining habits from history. You won't believe what people used to eat. Let's start in medieval Europe. Feasts back then were pretty extravagant. Believe it or not, they used to serve roasted swan. It was a fancy dish usually presented with all its feathers still on to impress the guest. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. How about lamprey pie? Yes, those jawless eel-like fish were a wild treat. The lampreys were cooked in a rich sauce and then baked into a pie. Imagine that at your next dinner party. Let's travel to Aztec Empire. They had some pretty interesting culinary tastes too. They loved a drink called zucata, made from cocoa beans, but it wasn't sweet like our hot chocolate. It was bitter and often spiced with chili peppers. Next up, ancient Rome. These folks knew how to throw a banquet, but their food choices were a bit unique. They were big fans of garum, a fermented fish sauce that they used in almost everything. They even had a bouillon made with fish blood. And then there were the stuffed mice, small rodents stuffed with a mixture of meat, nuts, and herbs. Definitely not your typical snack. Now, let's hop over to Ming Dynasty, China. Their food could get pretty interesting too. They made a soup from bird's nest, but these weren't just any nest. They were made from the heart and saliva of swiftlets. It was believed to have health benefits and was quite the delicacy. Finally, let's visit medieval Japan. They enjoyed something called natsuzushi. This was an early form of sushi where fish was packed in salt and left to ferment for months. Then it was wrapped in rice. It had a very strong pungent flavor, definitely an acquired taste. The Vikings had their own unique dining habits too. They enjoyed dishes like hackerel, which is fermented shark. It's buried underground for several months to ferment and develop its strong pungent taste. Even today, hackerel is known for its very strong ammonia smell. It's definitely not for faint of heart. The ancient Egyptians had a thing for garlic and onions. These were considered so valuable that they were even used as currency to pay workers building the pyramids. They believed these foods had health benefits and used them extensively in their cooking. In colonial America, they had their own set of interesting food. One food is scrapple, a dish made from pork with cornmeal and spices, then fried to a crisp. It's still enjoyed today in parts of the United States, especially in Pennsylvania, Dutch country. These unusual historical foods give us a fascinating glimpse into the past and show how much our culinary tastes have evolved. If you have enjoyed this look at weird historical foods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out our next adventure into the strange corner of history. Thanks for watching and see you next time.